Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where math become easy and fun. In this video, we will solve most predicted questions for SAT 23rd August 2025. First question is, if x equals 3 raised to power 3, what is the value of x raised to power x? For this purpose, we have x equal 3 raised to power 3. So, first of all, we will write this as x raised to power x. It's mean 3 raised to power 3. This is the value of x, and then power 3 raised to power 3. So, we will get 3 raised to power 3. And 3 raised to power 3 means 3 multiplied 3 times. So 3 raised to power 3 equal 27. Now here we apply the formula, that is a raised to power m into a raised to power n equal a raised to power mn. So in this way we will get 3 raised to power 3 multiplied 27, which implies that 3 raised to power 27 multiplied 3 is 81. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve the next question. So the next predicted question is 32 raised to power a plus b equals 16 raised to power a plus 2b. So what is the value of a? Now we will solve this question step by step as, first of all, we will write 32 as and 16 in the same powers. So 32 can be write as 2 raised to power 5 a plus b, and 16 can be write 2 raised to power 4 whole power is a plus 2b. Now again we will apply this formula, a raised to power m into n equals a raised to power mn. So we get 2 raised to power 5a plus 5b, and this equation become 2 raised to power 4a plus 8b. Now you can see, if the bases are same, then powers are also same, can be equated. So we write 5a plus 5b equals 4a plus 8b. Now you have to find the value of a. For this purpose, you will write 5a minus 4a equals 8b minus 5b, which implies that 5 minus 4 is 1. So a equals 8 minus 5 is 3. A equals 3b. So this will be the answer. Now we will solve another question. Now the next question is, how many minutes in 2 hours and 6 minutes? So we will solve this as, we know that 1 hour equals 60 minutes. That means 2 hour equals 2 multiply 60 means 120 minutes. And we have 2 hour and 6 minute means 2 hour plus 6 minute. And we have to convert our answer in the minutes. So we will write this as 2 hour equal 120 minute plus 6 minute. So our total answer will become 126 minute. So this will be the answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve more predicted question that you have to be done before exam. Best of luck for your exam. Keep learning, keep growing. Stay tuned.